Hi everybody, in our video we'll explain how to attach cable to moving objects. Let's start. We'll use the original cube. Select the cube, change the mode to edit mode, press M, and from the drop-down list select its center. The cube changed to one vertex. Press EY and extrude the vertex to be a line as shown. Select all vertices. Then right-click and from the drop-down list select Subdivide. At the left bottom corner open the Subdivide menu, and change the number of cuts to 30. Select the mid-vertex. Then from Mesh menu go to Snap, and select Cursor to selected. Choose the vertex at the end, and press Shift and select the vertex at the other end. Go to Object Data Properties, and press the plus sign to create new vertex group, then press Assign, select one of the two vertex, then press Ctrl H and from the drop-down list select Hook to New Object, select Other Vertex and press Ctrl H and from the drop-down list select Hook to New Object, change the mode to Object Mode. Go to Physics Properties then select Cloth, and under Shape, at Pin Group select Group, go to Add Modifier and from Generate add Skin Modifier, then activate the Smooth Shading, go to Add Modifier again and add Subdivision Surface Modifier, change the Levels Viewport to 3 and the Render to 3, go to Mesh menu and add UV Sphere, press S and change the sphere size and right-click then select Shade Smooth. Move the sphere to the left terminal, press Shift-D to create a copy of the sphere, move the new sphere to the right terminal. Select the first hook and press Shift and select the sphere, then press Ctrl-P and from the drop-down list select Object Keep Transform, go to the other side and make the same. Select the sphere at the right side. Go to Object Properties and add Animation Frame key, go to frame number 40 and move the sphere to a new position, then from the Object Properties add New Animation Frame key, go to another frame and move the sphere to a new position, then from the Object Properties add New Animation Frame key. You can make any number of changing positions. Go to 0 frame and check the animation. That is all.
Please subscribe, like, and share. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.